NFL Sunday Ticket is a premium sports package that lets you watch every out-of-market NFL regular season Sunday afternoon game, except select digital-only and international games. In this video, we'll talk about how to manage your subscription to NFL Sunday Ticket as a Primetime channel on YouTube. Go to youtube.com on a web browser using the account you bought NFL Sunday Ticket with. Select your profile picture and press Purchases and Memberships. Under Memberships, find NFL Sunday Ticket and click the drop-down arrow next to Manage Membership. Here, you'll see the price of your membership for the upcoming year, which reflects retail pricing and any applicable taxes, as well as your current payment plan. To switch from a single payment to a monthly installment payment plan, select Renew. Then, choose the monthly installment payment option. If you'd like to stop your season pass from renewing before you're charged, click Cancel. If you want to change your subscription type from a season pass to a month-to-month cancelable subscription, you'll need to cancel your season pass before it auto-renews, and then sign up with the month-to-month subscription. Also, if you want to change your subscription plan to add or remove NFL Red Zone, you must cancel your current membership and sign up again. To make changes to your payment method before your annual renewal, click Edit next to your payment details. Next, select the drop-down arrow next to your payment method. Then, either select a new payment method from your list or click Add Credit or Debit Card at the bottom. Finally, click Start Membership to complete the process. We also recommend that you add a backup payment method to ensure your membership remains active if your primary form of payment is not working. Need help with your NFL Sunday Ticket billing on YouTube? Check the link in the description to find our toll-free customer support number.